In a vast, boundless sky, a tiny starling fluttered, a speck of black against the brilliant golden backdrop. The sun, a radiant orb of warmth, watched over the young bird with a gentle gaze. One day, the starling, driven by curiosity, decided to approach the sun. As it neared, the starling felt a warmth it had never experienced before. The sun, noticing the starling's approach, sent a gentle wave of light towards the bird. The starling, feeling the warmth, was initially elated. But as it continued its approach, the heat became unbearable. The starling realized that while the sun's warmth was life-giving, it was also destructive if it was too close. The starling, with a newfound understanding, retreated, its wings fluttering frantically. It flew back to its familiar perch, away from the sun's overwhelming presence. The sun, witnessing the starling's retreat, felt a pang of sadness. But it also understood that its power was meant to be from a distance, not to be consumed but to be utilized wisely. From that day forward, the starling learned to appreciate the sun's warmth from a distance, using it to keep itself warm during the cold nights. The sun, in turn, learned to share its light and warmth without causing harm. And so, the starling and the sun formed a bond, each learning from the other. The starling realized that strength and power should be used wisely, not recklessly. The sun, on the other hand, learned that even the most powerful can cause harm if not used with care and consideration. This story serves as a reminder to us all that power, whether it be physical, emotional, or intellectual, should be used wisely. For like the sun, we too have the ability to bring warmth and light, but also the potential to cause harm if we do not use our power with care and understanding.